Perhaps we can build the perfect online course, but what principles underlie and support this kind of course? When teaching at a distance, the role of the instructor is often that of a facilitator rather than presenter. Meet learning needs by being inventive. Jan Visser, in Trends and Issues. Only by understanding our students can we truly develop programs that meet their needs. As Dennis Littke puts it, until we know the kid, the program is just school. After we know the kid's interests and passions, we can teach to those passions, and the kid gets engaged in the learning. Students become responsible for their own learning and assisting in the learning of others. Understand learner characteristics before developing distance learning environments. Flexibility is critical to successful distance educational experiences. The success of an instructional program can often be assessed only sometime after instruction is concluded. Has it ever happened to you that you took a course, failed to understand some procedures, barely passed the final exam, and 6 months later found that you could explain what you didn't know on the final exam? Sometimes it takes time for understanding to settle in. According to Morrison, it might be that a program is successful after the participants have had time to use the new information just acquired. It takes time to integrate new procedures into the work routine. Instructional media must enhance learning opportunities. Don't add a procedure or the latest technology just to have the most recent update. Design of graphics in the course should be balanced and take account of line, shape, space, texture, and other characteristics. The teacher of online instruction should provide a wide collection of activities that make possible equivalent learning experiences for students using an approach that recognizes fundamental differences between learners, distant and local. Lifelong learning is possible for the many thanks to distance education. Using these principles, you too can create the perfect online course. Proposed principle. Lecture less in open class, either face-to-face or when in a conference. Use group time to check understanding. Flip the classroom and put the lecture online. Then, when meeting together in the conference, check understanding. The use of images in this video are covered by the Fair Use Doctrine, which is perhaps an additional principle to guide ITDE.
The question becomes, how do you become a visible change agent in this kind of environment? So I'm saying to you, you gotta kind of bring together a group, and it's going to take years of commitment and argument and debate, but you got to demonstrate that what you're producing produces a product that we need.